Hi friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There is a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are going on towards literacy, malnutrition, youth, health, sanitation, and other verticals. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in vision here with an ideology to support Rotarians and Rotractors to support Rotary and Rotract. WizBiz Talks is also to create more bonding proximity amongst Rotarians and Rotractors on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians and Rotractors too, who by virtue of their selfless work towards the community have reached important decision positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference to the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon by profession, that is a weight loss surgeon, and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And I'll be your host on the WizBiz Talks. Friends, we have a very special guest today. A guest with more than a decade of experience in Rotract. A guest who has dual membership, who's a Rotractor and as well as a Rotarian. Friends, it's my proud privilege to present in front of you Rotarian Bharat Patel, who is a Rotractor from Rotract Club of Bombay Kandivali and a Rotarian from Rotary Club of Mumbai Worldwide, and he is going to be the DRR for Rotary Year 21-22. Friends, he is pursuing his CA and graphic designer course. He is a proud member of Rotary and Rotract and is elected as DRR 21-22 for District 3141. His main reason to work for this organization is to serve the society from the day he joined Rotract. He loves to spend his time on beaches as it gives him peace. He loves to explore world and always keeps updating himself with technology. He believes to be happy in whatever he has and feels then only he can spread happiness in the world. Let me present before you this young, quick-witted, resourceful, diligent, intuitive, intelligent, hardworking, efficient, trustworthy and dependable Rotractor. Friends, DRR 21-22, Bharat Patel.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, Bharat. How are you doing? It's such a pleasure to
I'm
have you
good,
here.
sir. And thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful introduction. It's like a huge introduction for me. And I'm so glad right now to come for this interview. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Bharat, you deserve every moment of it. Any word that has come out from my mouth is not come just for the sake of saying. And you coming here on WizBiz Talks, where only Rotarians come, is itself a testimony to what do Rotarians think about you. And whatever words came from my mouth are not from my mouth, it's they'll say. Because I have seen you working personally. Do you remember the
Thank you so
projects
much.
where we have worked together? Do you remember how
Yes, sir.
lives depend on you? Do you remember
Yes,
that
sir.
once a thing given to you was almost done, we never had to think or speak about it next time? So yes, you are one Mr. Dependable and you are one person on which Rotary and Rotract both depend to take the year 21-22 to great heights. But I'm also sure that you, with your vast experience in Rotract, is going to be a huge support to OJAS in the year 2021 to ensure that Rotract movement goes high, Rotary movement goes high, and we'll ensure that Rotary and Rotract get bound together as one unit family. So, Bharat, now we work together, but I don't know so much about you on a personal level. Anything that you would like to tell us about what type of a person you are and about your family too?
Yeah, yeah. So, as you said, I'm doing now. I'm pursuing CA, and I'm graphic designer too. People don't know about my graphic design thing also. I'm graphic designer too, and my dad is a businessman. He's a wholesaler in dry fruits and all. So, yeah, it's about my family. My mom is housewife, and I have two. Both are elder, one elder sister and brother. So I have a cute family with me. So yeah, and yeah, as you said, I love beaches, beach walk, and all stuff because it really gives me the peaceful thing to, to go ahead and the beaches and spend time for myself. You know, me time, wo hota hai me time. So it's me time for me for going to the beaches and all. So yeah, that's all.
Great. So, just now coming to the second part of it is we would you are uh, working as well as studying, or you're only studying?
I'm doing both, sir. So I am working also and I am studying also. So I am doing my CA. I told you like I'm doing my CA. So I have morning lectures and everything. So I attend my morning lectures from 7 to 11, and then I go to the office from 11 to 8, and then I come back home and spend time with my family. So yeah, busy schedule kind of.
So, guys, you should know and understand what type of capacity does Bharat have. He studies, he works. He's a Rotaractor, he's a Rotarian. And just to tell you, he's also the treasurer for Rotary Club of Mumbai worldwide. So it is not a small job
Yes,
to be the caretaker for public funds. It's a double responsibility.
exactly.
Congratulations to
It's
you
a big
for
responsibility.
taking up something like this. And whoever are the past DRRs who have come into Rotary, they have all shown and they've shown their worth, whether it was Rajat Menon or it was Pankaj Patharford or it has been Vinit Parekh or Rohan Dalmia or Om Chawla, and now you join the illustrious group of those people whom we really feel are proper work material, proper leadership material. So congratulations for doing this dual.
Thank you, sir, and I hope I should proud you guys for sure, like the Rotary District and all the PDRs with my leadership in the year 2021 22.
Definitely, you are going to do it. Now, coming to you told us something about your work, but the most important part of this interview is to also know what are your plans, your ideas. Though I'll ensure that your particular plans and ideas are not hijacked by Ojas because everyone has their own plans for their years. But we want to know what type of projects would you like to do, conceive, and how can you be of a great support to Ojas in 2021, and how will you like to form a strong foundation for the years to come? So, Bharat, all yours.
Yeah, so first of all, sir, it's not about just 1 year, like 21 22. So we are not working as just for 21 22. So we have to do projects for 21 22 only. So it's a years combined, right? So OJAS year is also mine year also, correct? So whatever we do in OJAS year, I will obviously continue to do the same in the my year also. So whatever projects I have in my mind for my year, I already suggested OJAS to do it because if he start the work, he start the initiative in his year, so it will be great for me to the project in a next level. So I don't have to start from the scratch, right? So this is the year where he can start the project.
There are two ways to look at it. Ki let the pilot happen with Ojas. I will do the final product.
Yes, kind of, sir. Smart work. Yeah, so since I told you that I joined the Rotaract because of community service, and my motto to join Rotaract was just to do social service, and also my year is gonna be with the so much community service initiatives. So I will obviously do for fellowships and all because Rotaractors need fellowship at a high level. But yeah, the community service is also a main focus for me. So actually, I have a one story, a little bit story. So uh, in the year 13 14 we started initiative touching little hearts, and that time I was the joint community service director at the district level. Okay, and I help few patient, few kids to get into it, like for the hospital work and surgeries and all stuff. Okay, for that project, so I was working on ground with that project, and that project touched my heart like a lot because after some day, the patient mother called me, and she was like, "It's just because of you, my son is alive right now, and it's because of you that you helped a lot us." So it's a great feeling for me. And when I was on the call at during night, like 11 o'clock, my mother and my dad also asked me who is calling you right now and all. Then when they listen to all this stuff, then they feel really proud for me that yeah, my son is doing something great for the society. Like he's not doing just time pass, and few parents think क्या रोट्रैक कर रहे हो तुम लोग क्यों कर रहे हो मतलब you should focus on study and all, right? But I think in my if you think my parents also feel proud that I have done something for the community service. And I believe you can do both together. Like study is also important, I know, and I can tell you I'm the topper of the college. Okay, so we study. I can do road track also. I can do Rotary also. So it's just on the person how to deal with it, right? So I think every person can do multitasking stuff, and they can join road track and Rotary and serve the society along with their study, along with their job too. So yeah, so my major plan is towards the community service, and I think my DG also focus on the community service initiative very well. So
Yes.
I think we both will connect together and have a good community service project in the year 2021-22.
Rajendra ji is also absolutely called as a project man, community service man, medical man, though he's not a medical person, but he's just like a doctor to so many people whom he has, where he organizes projects at Phoenix Mills year after year, since years and years he's doing it, and he's known for all those things. He's also one of the most respected persons in the Akhil Bharatiya Agarwal Sammelan, where he's been
Yes,
holding
sir.
important positions. So please get closely knit with him, and he will ensure that he will support the Rotractors to unbelievable levels. At the same time, Bharat, what you can also suggest Ojas and start from this year itself is, which we tried for one club, where we had a new member induction seminar, new member information seminar for parents
Okay.
of Rotractors. So if we can
Oh,
start having new membership information seminar for parents of Rotractors, for them to become Rotarians, for parents to become Rotarians,
great.
uh,
Hmm.
then you will find that there will be less parents obstructing you when you want to do Rotaract work also.
True, sir.
At the
If
same
your
time,
parents are Rotarian, then you are having great chance, like great opportunity. No one can stop you then.
so I think so for you all to keep working well without any hindrances. I hope no parents are listening to this. You should ensure that parents become Rotarians so that your path becomes clean. It's clear. So
I will start.
just take
I
up
will
this
start from my
initiative.
parents only, sir.
So start from this year itself and start tying up with Ojas that every Rotaract club, you should tell your Rotary club that we are doing a new. So Rotary also will be so happy that Rotaract is saying that we are taking initiatives for increasing the membership in Rotary.
Great, sir.
So take that
That's why I
initiative.
said, na, sir. I will start. I will start from my mom, dad only. I will tell
Fantastic,
them to join
fantastic.
me.
Make them a team, make them members of Rotary Club of Devnar, and I'm sure they'll do extremely well. Chalo, great, Bharat. You have been fantastic. Your ideas are so clear and so transparent, and you're such a nice person to speak to. I've always enjoyed, loved speaking to you, and
Sir, because you are a nice person, so that's why you are saying that I am a nice person. So yeah.
you're very down to earth and absolutely floored person. I'm sure Rotaract is in safe hands in Ojas's year, in your year, and I'm sure it will be so in years to come. Wishing you all the very best to take Rotaract to the next level. We in Rotary this year, on behalf of DG Sunil Mehra, I'm giving you assurance that you have everything that you want. And I can assure you on behalf of Rajendra ji that he will not be even 1% less than that. You're going to have a great partner in Rajendra ji. Wishing you all the best.
Thanks a
Hope
lot.
you give a lovely 21-22 to Rotary and Rotaract. And
Sir, along with 2021.
expecting a lot of support from you as a person you are for 2021 too. Take
Sir,
care,
I'm always there with you.
stay safe, and thank you so much for your presence here.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.